late fee charges. Costs of $226.
I got actually $90 in late fees and $292.14 in pay. And I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks, and they're going to chat with you and give you the number of the law firm to call. It's Lakewood or Lakeshore. And what is the date now? February 9th?
Fuck you! Fuck you, motherfucker!
Granite Televalley versus Ronald Allen Bodges, 2600001.
Is that you? You're Granite? Right to the podium.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Capitan, appearing on behalf of Granite Televalley, P61901.
Your name? Name?
Ronald Allen Bodges.
You're drinking again, huh?
No.
Let's go give you a PBT then. We're going to give you a PBT right now. John, go administer a
I was
PBT.
drinking yesterday.
Mr. Bodges.
Sorry about last week.
I hope you don't have a bond condition on that other case that says no alcohol. Mr. Bodges, that's why you got lippy with me last week. You're drunk. Counsel, I'm going to pass that.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you. Your Honor, it's 26.
Yeah, Granite Televalley versus Ronald Allen Bodges, 2600001. Well, you're drunk enough. I mean, you're legally drunk. You're 088. Who's this with you? Who drove here?
She did.
Does he have a bond, Heather? I want you to call Heather.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, you want her to pop on again?
I do.
Okay.
Okay, ladies, you can go out in the hallway and talk, okay? I don't know what you're doing, Mr. Bodges.
I'm ready to be down good. I would have.
You don't go yelling like you did at me last week on here. You got me. No. You don't do that. I don't care if you've had 49 vodka tonics or whatever else. You don't do that. Now you show up drinking again,
Yesterday.
Mr. Bodges.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol basically dissipates at the rate of 0.125 per hour. That means if you stopped drinking at 11:30, you were somewhere in the neighborhood of about a 2.0. I can do the math easily if you're interested in an exact reading. So if you're telling me you haven't drank since yesterday, then you were highly intoxicated before you went to bed. And that's your prerogative. If you don't have a bond condition that says you can't drink. Heather, I would like you to check and see the felony that Mr. Bodges has, whether or not he has a no alcohol provision in there.
What is the first name, Judge, on him?
Ronald, R-N-A-L-D. We burned it over. I don't remember. It's a felony. I don't remember if I
Okay,
did.
okay, that's why I'm looking at. Okay, so it's a bound over case.
Right.
With Judge Hessen.
When did this get bound over? Just
Did your
recently?
case get bound over from district court, Mr. Bodges? When were you in district court on the felony charge, sir?
Was it?
I didn't ask you that. I didn't ask you.
I'm sure. So maybe.
October, he thinks.
No, Your Honor. I think it's November
Oh,
3rd.
I do see one in here that was bound over on November 18th.
Was that mine or Judge Hessen's?
This one was yours.
Is there a no alcohol provision in that?
Let me take a look on this one. Yes.
That's what I thought. John, I'm not going to swear you to an oath. You took a PBT reading this morning on Mr. Bodges, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name.
It's John City.
I didn't mean to stump you.
Yeah, that's how I think about it for a minute.
.088 he had, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I think probation needs to notify, or somebody needs to notify the courthouse, whatever judge is assigned, that Mr. Bodges showed up here. And this is the second day. He smelled of alcohol last time. I didn't have him tested last time, which I guess was last Tuesday or on the 27th. So I don't think you can handle this case while you're drunk, Mr. Bodges.
I'm looking for a return right now. I got a call two of them last week. Four of them last week. I'm too poor for legal aid and made too much for paid legal aid. So I called a couple personal lawyers. And I just got paid first.
You're to come here without drinking next week. That was what I told you to do when I set the bond on that case. Now you got a felony. Now, according to her, and I'm not going to get into this, you got a felony. What's the charge again?
That charge was, let me make sure. There was three counts. The first count was assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder. Count 2, assault with dangerous weapon. And count 3, assault with dangerous weapon, felonies, assault.
So you got a 10-year felony and 2 4-year felonies pending.
Yes, sir.
And you're
Gonna keep that.
and you're violating a judge's bond conditions. Now, if I had jurisdiction, I'd lock you up right now. We're gonna notify the court. Counsel, I'm adjourning this 1 week. If you come here, I'm giving you a PBT again. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And next time, I'm not gonna adjourn it. There's gonna be consequences for you showing up here like that. I'm gonna adjourn it 1 week to February. What do I have? The 9th, is it?
Yes, February 9th at 9:30, Your Honor.
At 9:30 in the morning. Ma'am, did you drive here? You're not gonna let him drive, right? Because Mr. Capitan,
Thank you.
you need to straighten out your life. Good luck. Thank you. Granite versus, let's see, I think I've covered all the granites, haven't I?
Yeah, you covered all the granite, and I just have Bridgewood and Orland's Place.